Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be trying 10 different unique and weird flavors on French fries. Welcome to the kitchen. So first we have to make the French fries. Today I'm going to be using my handy dandy air fryer to do that. I'll show you guys how to do it too. So now we have to soak them for about 30 minutes to get all of the starch off of the potatoes. So 30 minutes has passed, now we have to dry them. Okay, now it's time to heat up our air fryer. So I don't know what the flavors are going to be. Everything is in Japanese. But Yoshi knows all of the flavors since he can read Japanese. So I'll be guessing which flavors we're trying as we go.
So first one is Wasabi Mayonnaise. Second one is soy sauce butter. Third one is barbecue. Fourth is cheese. Next is spicy cold roll. Okay, this is first one.
Oh, this smells like Japanese ranch dressing.
Japanese something.
Okay, I really loaded it up. Oh, I put way too much on. It's wasabi?
Yeah. Wasabi and what?
Wasabi and like cream or something?
Yeah, mayonnaise.
Oh, really? Mayonnaise. What do you think? Do you like it?
Oh, I like it. Next one.
Mystery brown.
You know it. You have eaten it.
Let me try again. Oh, wait. Eel or something?
No.
No? To show you?
Yeah.
No.
Show you and what?
Vinegar?
No. Butter.
Oh, really? I was confused by the package. Trying to get a hint from the packaging.
Show you butter.
Oh, yeah, I see now.
No? Okay, next one. Little bit brown.
Yeah.
The name is famous, you know, but I don't think it's the taste.
Tastes like Japanese barbecue sauce.
Oh yeah.
Oh really? I'm
surprised.
What is the name?
Barbecue.
Okay.
I don't like it so much.
Yeah, it's a little bit tangy.
Next one. Okay, let's.
I smell cheesy flavor. Yeah. It's cheese.
It's cheese.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Can never go wrong with cheese.
Next is.
I think this one is gonna be spicy.
Yeah, it looks spicy. Normally, it's a little bit spicy taste. I like it. I have introduced it.
But I chose. Oh, okay. Is this like eggs?
Oh yeah. How did you know?
Yoshi tried to have me try some
spicy cod roll.
Oh, spicy cod roll. Oh, I think I chose not to eat it though, not to try. So now I'm finally trying the taste.
What do you think?
Yeah, I don't prefer the taste, but it's not that bad. It's pretty good because it's spicy a little bit.
Yeah, I like it. Next one is curry. Next one is it Japanese food, takoyaki. Next one is garlic. Next one is consomme, like stock cubes. Last one is Tony surgeries. This is a seasoning from her hometown. I wonder if she can guess it. Next one. This yellow one.
It smells like curry. It's curry, huh? The whole room smells like curry now.
Yeah. Next is this brown one.
I don't like that one.
You don't like it?
Is it fishy?
Yeah, it's fishy. But it's not fish.
Is it
Actually.
squid?
Yeah, it's
Really?
takoyaki.
Takoyaki, oh that's so funny. I don't usually eat takoyaki and I still don't like it, I'm surprised.
Octopus.
Octopus. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Real takoyaki is better. Next one.
Ta-da. I think it has something to do with seaweed. Just because it has little green pieces. No. No.
No? What's that?
It's like onion?
Onion?
Is it?
Not onion.
Garlic?
Yeah, garlic.
Garlic. Yeah, I like that one.
Okay, next one is this one.
Smells like curry again. Is it fish again?
It's Japanese seasoning.
Oh, it's not consomme?
Yeah,
Okay. It's a really popular soup in Japan, right? Soup seasoning.
Like stock cubes.
Yeah.
Oh, really good. Last one.
Okay, I think this one's gonna be spicy. For real.
Try again. Do you like it?
Yeah. I like it. It's pretty spicy. It's Japanese, right?
It's not Japanese.
No. Is it like pepper, like cayenne pepper or something?
Maybe so. Do you not know?
In Japan? I ate.
You have eaten in Japan. The answer is in the box city.
Trash. Garbage. Oh, is it really? Yoshi's so sneaky.
This is
sneaky. Tony Satcheries!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Creole seasoning. When did you get that?
You didn't notice my pocket was so big.
Yeah, I didn't notice.
Did you think it's Japanese seasoning?
No, I thought it's Thai.
Because you asked me if it's Japanese.
Yeah, I was thinking it doesn't have Japanese taste. Which one did you like the best?
Tony surgeries.
Really? I like Tony Satcheries or soy sauce and butter.
Yeah, I like soy sauce and butter.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you can see our next video. Bye! See you next time. Bye!